What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and discussion for Monday, May 22nd, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, this morning, taking a look at the tropics here, the disturbance that's in the southwestern Atlantic still has a 10% chance of development, but honestly, I truly believe that this system is not going to develop as it moves on out towards the north northeast slowly at 5 to 10 miles per hour. If you guys look at the water vapor, you can see all of this dry air across the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean, and even here across parts of the southwestern Atlantic, where the actual broad low of this system is, as you can see. But the isobars, this circle right here, is the actual broad center. And look at all this dry air that's entrenched inside the circulation here, you guys. So no development is expected anytime soon, but a piece of this energy could combine with some of this energy here that's going to be coming off the southeast coast later on this week, and that could spawn an area of low pressure, which could possibly go ahead to develop into a system here. It may affect parts of the eastern seaboard, so that's going to be something we're going to continue to look out for as the week continues to go along. So if you haven't done so already, you guys, be sure to subscribe here at your Weather on the Fly so you can stay up to date and weather aware this hurricane season. You will not miss a beat as the National Hurricane Center comes out with updates. I will have them posted in my shorts and community section here on the fly at your Weather on the Fly, you guys. And as we look deeper into the Atlantic, you can see it. The Atlantic is closed for business right now, you guys, with this strong westerly wind shear going on. And look at all this dry air. So nothing else to look at in the tropics at this moment, you guys. Now, as we take it back to the lower 48, you guys, we have a trough here that's coming in towards the Pacific Northwest, a negatively tilted trough that's going to create a small little chance of some marginally severe weather for parts of central Montana later on today. We also have this system here tucked into parts of southeastern Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle area. This system is going to spawn some severe weather for this part of the country later on this afternoon as well. And we will yet again have another threat of a marginal risk for severe weather here across parts of southern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, southern Georgia here with this system that is currently along this frontal boundary that is sitting here draped across the Atlantic, stretching into parts of the southeast near Jacksonville, Florida, you guys. So as I pause this 10-second intermission, get this off so we can get into the rest of the video. Right, you guys, we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take the extended goes. All right, you guys, just have a little bit more than what I usually have on. We'll keep the tropics on, you guys. As you can see, that's the area, the 10% threat area. And as you can see, that system will be moving on out to the north northeast. Now, as we get into convective outlook day one, you guys, you can see here the Storm Prediction Center does have that marginal risk up here for parts of central Montana. We do have that marginal risk here across parts of southern Alabama, extreme southwest Georgia, extending into the Florida's peninsula and panhandle. And we do have the slight risk here that does include Amarillo, Lubbock, just to the north of Midland, just to the northwest of Abilene here, and extreme parts of southwest Oklahoma could see some severe weather today, you guys. And as we check the probability and see how these storms are going to materialize throughout the day, tornado threat, a 2% chance here across parts of the Texas panhandle, extending into the Oklahoma's panhandle. So we will be on the lookout for a few spin ups today, you guys. Hail probability, we have a 5% chance across central Montana for hail pushing 1 to 1.5 inch in diameter. We have a 15% chance for hail pushing 1 to 1.5 inch in diameter across the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle here, with a 5% encompassing that marginal risk around the Texas, Oklahoma area. And as we go to the wind probability, that 5% chance of isolated, locally gusty winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour, but sustained 50 to 60, gusting to 70 here across Florida, Alabama, and extreme southern Georgia here. We have that 15% chance of 50 to 60 mile per hour winds gusting to 70 across Oklahoma and parts of the Texas Panhandle and parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, you guys, and a 5% chance of those winds across parts of central Montana. No significant tornadoes. That's always good news, you guys. No significant hail and no significant winds. So that is perfect. As we take a look at the HRRR to see just how these storms are going to play out during the next 48 hours. All right, let's see. We're going to start here at 12 p.m., you guys, as we usually do here at your Weather on the Fly. As you can see, not much going on across Texas. Maybe a little cluster of showers or rumbles of thunder here across parts of Idaho and western Montana. And across parts of Georgia, we starting to have some isolated showers and thunderstorms popping up, even across parts of the Florida Peninsula here. We move on to about 4 p.m., you guys. As you can see, look here up across parts of central Montana. These showers and thunderstorms here will be capable of some isolated hail and damaging winds. We do have some showers and thunderstorms starting to pop here across parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, southern Kansas. Not too much going on in Texas yet. Probably a few cells popping up along the western Panhandle of Texas, but that'll be it. And look at the daytime heating across the Florida Peninsula here. You guys in southern Georgia, these cells will have the possibility of producing some locally damaging wind gusts here as we move on throughout the afternoon. We head into the evening, you guys. Excuse me. You can see the cluster of showers and thunderstorms continue to progress here across parts of central Montana, heading into eastern Montana. General showers and thunderstorms here with possibly some embedded heavy rainfall across the western United States, even getting into parts of the desert southwest here, even the Rockies around the Denver area. Look at the cells across the Texas Panhandle, getting into now western Oklahoma here. These cells will have the potential to also have a spin up or two of a tornado possible, so we will definitely be on the lookout for that. Other than that, all other hazards will be possible here across parts of West Texas, extending into western Oklahoma. Here across Alabama, here, southern Georgia, still extending into all the way down into the Miami area. Could see some showers with rumbles of thunder here. Strong gusty winds could be in order as we move into the overnight hours. Let this load up, you guys. All right. Seems like we're having some loading issues, you guys. Let's hold up. All right, here we go, you guys. Just having a little technical difficulties. As you can see, we're going to have a little cluster of showers and thunderstorms maybe starting to approach the Dallas-Fort Worth area during the overnight hours. Look here across parts of southern Georgia, even maybe extreme northern Alabama. Going to still have a few showers, maybe rumbles of thunder going on, and even a chance of some showers and thunderstorms here up across Pennsylvania and New York throughout today. And then during the overnight hours, as you can see, those showers and thunderstorms have completely died out and gone. But now, as we segue into convective outlook day 2, which will be tomorrow, you guys, let's see what the Storm Prediction Center has. And as you can see, they have a slight risk yet again here for parts of Northwest Texas, which does include the Abilene area, Haskell, Childress, Tula. Y'all know I butcher's name, so we're going to keep going with it, you guys. Just to the southeast of Amarillo, just to the east of Lubbock here, that slight risk, you guys. And then we have a general thunderstorm risk yet again for across the south with daytime heating. And then again here across the western United States will be active for some showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder. As we take a look at the probabilities here, 2% chance of tornadoes across parts of Northwest Texas. Yet again, we were on the lookout for a few spin ups here for Tuesday. Hail probability, 5% chance of hail pushing 1 to 1.5 inch in diameter. Wind probability, a 15% chance of winds on the order of 50 to 60, gusting to 70 here across the slight risk area, and a 5% chance across that marginal risk. We shouldn't have no significant tornadoes, no significant hail, and no significant winds for Tuesday, so that is good news. And as we continue to HRRR out, and as you can see, you guys, Tuesday morning, some heavy rains possibly here for Alabama and Georgia ongoing. And as we go to the noon hour on Tuesday, you guys, You can see here, look across parts of north central Oklahoma. May have a cluster of showers and thunderstorms going on. Isolated showers and rumbles of thunder still ongoing across Alabama, Georgia, the Florida panhandle start around Jacksonville area, you guys. We go on to 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Here we go, you guys. Scattered showers and thunderstorms may be popping up here across southeast Louisiana. Look at these showers and heavy thunderstorms that could be ongoing across parts of the Florida Panhandle and Peninsula. Some of these may have some isolated hail and locally gusty winds here. Looking at a few of these cells coming back on the HRRR, you guys. Other than that, some scattered showers still across central southern Georgia, and look across parts of eastern extreme eastern New Mexico and starting to get into the western Texas panhandle. These cells are starting to pop here. All hazards will be possible as we go into the evening hours on Tuesday. As you can see around 10 o'clock, look at this strong cluster and line of storms that's moving across northwest Texas, you guys. All hazards will be possible, so we will definitely be on the lookout as we heading into the overnight hours on Tuesday, going into Wednesday. Look at the showers here that may be ongoing across east central Arkansas, and the scattered showers that's going to be along the Florida's eastern seaboard, starting to push out into the Atlantic, you guys. And as we go on out to as far as the HRRR will take us out, which will be early Wednesday morning. And you can see, look at this cluster here across east central Texas, just south of Dallas to the west of Houston here, you guys. So could have some showers, rumbles of thunder going on. Look here across east central Oklahoma, could also have some showers, you guys. This does segue us into convective outlook day 3, which yet again, the Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk, which does include the Northwest Texas area, Texas Panhandle, extending on into parts of extreme southeast Colorado, yet again, you guys, and then the Northwest here, the Pacific Northwest, could see some showers, rumbles of thunder yet again. The South, the same old summertime pattern, daytime heating, thunderstorms could be ongoing. And even here across parts of the Northeast, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, could see some showers and thunderstorms as we head through the day on Wednesday. So, you guys, if you haven't done so already, be sure to share, like, and subscribe so you can stay up to date and weather aware. Also, with this severe weather, as the Storm Prediction Center comes out with their updates, I have them also in my shorts and community section here on the fly. That's going to be it for this one. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.